Hey, firearm enthusiasts, are you looking for the ultimate compact pistol with premium features, impressive capacity, and a price that won't break the bank? Then you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into Canik's latest additions to the Micro 9 market, the Mete MC9L and MC9LS. Whether you're into self-defense, concealed carry, or competitive shooting, these pistols are worth your attention. So let's get started. For those of you unfamiliar with Canik, this Turkish firearm manufacturer has been making waves in the industry with its innovative designs, reliability, and affordability. The Mete series, launched in 2021, set a new standard for striker-fired pistols with features like optic-ready slides, ambidextrous controls, and ergonomic designs. The new Mete MC9L and MC9LS take this legacy further by offering enhanced capacity and versatility in a compact frame. Let's take a closer look. Let's talk about what makes these pistols stand out. Both the MC9L and MC9LS are striker-fired, polymer-framed semi-automatic pistols chambered in 9M Luger, designed with precision and practicality in mind. Here's what you get. Ambidextrous controls. Whether you're a lefty or righty, the dual slide release and reversible magazine release make these pistols super versatile. Optic-ready design. Both models come with a slide cut that fits a Shield RMSC footprint. You can even get a factory-installed mechanic-monic reflex sight, perfect for fast target acquisition. Customizable ergonomics. Interchangeable backstraps mean you can tweak the grip to fit your hand perfectly, ensuring comfort and control. Accessory compatibility. Need to add a light or laser? No problem. The Picatinny rail on the dust cover is ready for your favorite attachment. Here's where things get really interesting. The MC9L and MC9LS offer greater capacity and slightly different dimensions compared to the original MC9. Let's break it down. The MC9L has the same barrel length as the MC9 at 3.18 inches, but it uses a full-size frame, which increases the magazine capacity to 17 rounds. It's compact enough for concealed carry, but with added firepower. The MC9LS, on the other hand, features a slightly longer barrel at 3.64 inches, giving it an edge in accuracy and performance while maintaining the same 17-round capacity. It's great for those who prioritize precision shooting. When it comes to looks, Canik gives you options. The MC9L and MC9LS are available in Classic Black, Tactical Flight Dark Earth FDE, and a striking two-tone finish with a black slide and FDE frame. Now, let's talk about price. The base models start at an MSRP of $499, while models with the factory-installed Mechanic Moni reflex sight are priced at $655. Not bad for everything you're getting, right? Thing I love about Canik is how much value they pack into their packages. When you buy the MC9L or MC9LS, you're not just getting the pistol. Here's what's inside the box. A spare 17-round magazine. A magazine loader to save your thumbs during loading. An inside the waistband IDB holster. perfect for concealed carry.